experiments and I like to try new things and I always bother my mom. Mama!
Hey, my name is Janet and I am Faris's mother. Faris is my eldest son. Faris is an amazing boy and he's so intelligent. He loves to do experiments all the time. He loves science, reading books. It is impossible to ask him about anything in the world or any information without having an answer about it or a knowledge about it. Most of the time, often when I lost Faris at the house, I found him in the kitchen at the sink mixing things, coffee with some vinegar, salts, sometimes soda bicarbonates, and what else you want? Egg with oil and water, right? Yeah, you're right.